Hey listeners, this is Mindful Talks podcast. Welcome to the 12th episode of hashtag Decoding UI UX. So, the very first words that come to mind when we think of ordinary design are simple and boring. And while simplicity is good quality, it is not something we as product designers usually strive for, or designers with specific objective, what we can say, if not just a product designer. So yeah, does this indicate that ordinary design will have an adverse influence on product success? Absolutely not. In fact, it can have the opposite effect. Many of the world's best selling items have entirely ordinary designs. So yes, today this podcast is all about how does an ordinary design perform well. Designer instinct tells us that creating something fresh and intriguing is one of our aims when designing a new product. We make every effort to avoid using common design elements since we want to innovate and produce something new and trending. But designing something ordinary is frequently the greatest approach to strike an impression. One of the goals of product design is to create a solution that will satisfy the greatest number of people. When it comes to ordinary design, just a few individual, some like it or some don't like it, but the vast majority are tolerant of it, which is why it is so popular. But why are people so accepting of this boring design? Because regular design is both simple on the eyes and it is recognizable in simple words. People like familiar design because it helps them feel at ease. Another reason ordinary design may be superior to unique and creative design is that it may be used in variety of circumstances. Say for example, Toyota Corolla, like it might be utilized as a family car, taxi or corporate vehicle, but you can't see Mitsuka Urchi as a family vehicle because the capacity of ordinary design to function in a variety of use situations is what makes it so effective. So some automakers employ design to make a big statement. Consider the Tesla Cybertruck for instance. The Tesla Cybertruck generated a lot of buzz when it initially debuted in the media. Many memes were created practically immediately after the Cybertruck was announced. Elon Musk stated that truck will be ready in late 2021. However, it is now mid 2022 and the truck is no longer available. The truth is that Tesla's primary purpose was not to sell trucks in order to earn money, but rather to generate buzz around the brand itself. That is why they have adopted a design that is so unique from what we had previously seen, or we might not even have ever seen. So as a result, when the Tesla truck is eventually available on the market, its design may change from what was advertised. Lastly, as per Dieter Rams, products are neither decorative nor artistic things. They are simply tools that serve a purpose. As a result, their design should be both neutral and restrained. So this was the whole point of this podcast. I'm not saying that creative designs and when you are thinking so much or when you are doing brainstorming, that's a bad thing. But if you understand the context that it's not always necessary to come up with something larger than life, you just need to keep the things simple as well sometimes when required. And that is why just don't misunderstand it with the you should always come up with ordinary design. It's just a thought, it's just a concept that we have shared with you. Just use it well and accordingly. So yes, that's it for today. A very short and impactful podcast. I hope you all enjoyed listening to it. Let's meet in the next episode. Till then, keep chilling.